Welcome to Cursive Lesson 26, our last lesson in teaching letters, and then we will start working on writing words, high frequency words. Always make sure you put your heading first, name, number, date, first and last name in cursive. Our directions: trace each letter and use the dots provided to practice writing each letter. So we are working on the letters T and the letters F. T and F, those capitals. They're very similar. In this version, they look a little bit more different, but the biggest difference is that you cross the F after you're done writing the word. And I've seen that you can form these letters in different ways, but I'm going to show you the way that I've learned and taught. And capital T is very important because a lot of high frequency words start with the letter T, so if you're writing at the beginning of a sentence, you're going to write this letter quite a bit. Okay, so first we're going to start, and we're actually going to make the line that goes across first. Now you can actually keep your pencil down to make the rest of the line, or you can pick it up. This one you have a choice. Slant down, touch the bottom, make your point, come across. So you can either do that, pick up your pencil, or you can make your loop, make the top line. Sorry, my pencil went off there, but go back down that line, make your point, and come across. So you have a choice. You can first make that loop, make your line, pick up your pencil, slant down, curve up, make a point, come across, make your tail. Or when you make that loop, go across, you can retrace back down that line, then make your point and come across. Whichever works better for you. So I'm going to do both ways just so you can see. So we have our starting dot, we're going to loop back, make our line, pick up, go about halfway, slant down, touch the bottom, curve up, make your point, come across, make your tail. Or make your loop, retrace down, slant down, curve up, make your point, come across. So two ways. Loop, make that line on top, then pick up your pencil, slant down, curve up, make your point, come across, or make your loop, go across. You can retrace, then back down the line, curve, point, and make your tail. I prefer the second one, but it is your choice. Okay, so again, the two different ways. You can make your loop, come across, then pick up your pencil, slant down, curve, touch the bottom, make your point, come across, make your tail. Or make your loop, go across, retrace, go down at a slant, curve up, make your point, come across, make your tail. So the two ways: loop, go across, then pick up your pencil, slant down, curve up, make your point, come across, make your tail. Or make your loop, retrace, then slant down, curve to the bottom, make your point, come across, make your tail. Okay, here, so we have a loop, make your line, pick up your pencil, slant down, curve, touch the bottom, make your point, come across, make your tail. Or make your loop, retrace, slant down, curve up, make your point, come across, make your tail. So make your loop, come across, pick up your pencil, slant down. So you do not have to do both ways. You choose which way you like best. Make your point, cross, make your tail, make your loop, cross, retrace, slant down, curve up, make your point, come across, make your tail. Now you can actually make your F the exact same way and then cross it after, but this version has a slightly different one, but we do want to cross it at the end. So for the letter F, we have our starting dot. We do kind of a slant up, touch the top, we curve down, touch the bottom, curve up, come across, and then it has this little whoop thing on it. You don't have to do that part. And then when the whole the whole word is done, you would pick up your pencil then and cross it. Starting dot, go up to the top, slant down, touch the bottom, curve up, come across. You can do that little whoop if you want, and then cross the letter when it's done. Starting dot, curve up, slant down, touch the bottom, curve up, make your point, come across. Then when it's all done, you cross the letter. Starting dot, slant up, slant down, curve, touch the bottom, curve up, come across, a little whoop, and then cross the letter. Starting dot, I'm going to slant up, slant down, curve, touch the bottom, curve up, make your point, come across, and then cross your letter. Starting dot, go up to the top, slant down, curve, touch the bottom, curve up, make your point, come across, make your tail, and then cross your F when the whole word's done. Starting dot, we're going to curve up, slant down, curve up, make your point, come across, make your tail, then cross. Starting dot, slant up, slant down, curve, touch the bottom, curve up, make your point, come across, and then cross your letter. Okay, here we have our starting dot, slant up, slant down, touch the bottom, curve up, make your point, come across, make your tail, and then cross. Starting dot, go up, slant down, touch the bottom, curve up, make your point, come across, make your tail, and then cross. Starting dot, we're going to curve up, slant down, curve down to the bottom, curve back up, make your point, come across, make your tail, and then cross. Starting dot, we're going to curve up, slant down, curve around, make your point, come across, make your tail, and then cross. So we're going to curve up, slant down, curve around, make your point, come across, make your tail. So you can choose to put that little one on, but you do not have to. And then cross. Starting dot, slant up, slant down, curve, curve up, make a point, come across, make your tail, and cross. Starting dot, slant up, slant down, curve, make a point, come across, make your tail, and cross. Starting dot, we're going to slant up, slant down, curve, touch the bottom, curve up, make a point, come across, make your tail, and cross. Alright, so that is the capital letter F, capital letter T. Please practice more on the back. And then in our next lesson, we're going to work on high frequency words. Okay, so thank you for joining me.